All right, folks, you know how we Americans love our snacks like gooey Twinkies, neon orange Cheetos, rainbow Skittles that may or may not be made of unicorn dreams? Yeah, it turns out other countries took one look at our grocery aisles and said, nope, hard pass. Today, we're diving into 20 processed foods that are banned in other countries, and why. Warning, this may ruin your childhood snacks forever. Let's start with the Rainbow Brigade. Skittles are banned in Europe because of titanium dioxide. Yep, it's used in paint and somehow also used in making candy. Taste the rainbow, and maybe some cancer risks. Fanta Pineapple drink is outlawed thanks to yellow number 5 and 6. These are dyes that have been linked to behavioral issues in kids, because nothing says sunshine soda like a side of hyperactivity. Trans fats are the real villains of the processed food world. Ritz crackers are banned in multiple countries. Apparently, a buttery crunch shouldn't come with a heart attack. Pillsbury biscuits are so fluffy, so flaky, and so hydrogenated. Coffee Mate Creamer is a non-dairy powder made of dreams, chemicals, and oils your arteries hate. If meat could have a dark side, here it is. U.S. pork is banned in the Europe and China because of ractopamine, because it's like a muscle-building steroid for pigs. U.S. beef is banned in Japan and Europe because of growth hormones. I'm not saying our cows are jacked, but they might be able to bench more than me. Pink slime ground beef, yes, it's a real thing, is treated with ammonia gas. Because nothing says taco night like beef misted with a cleaning product. Okay, now let's ruin your sweet tooth. Twinkies are banned in several countries for yellow number 5 and artificial preservatives that could outlive us all. Little Debbie Swiss rolls are adorable, and are also packed with red dye number 40 and yellow number 5. Your snack cake just became a science experiment. Maraschino cherries are soaked in red dye number 3, which might just be illegal in everything but cherry toppings. There are also some imposters out there, including Sunny D, which is marketed as juice, tastes like orange dreams, and contains brominated vegetable oil that is banned in Europe. Instant mashed potatoes are banned for containing the preservatives BHA and BHT. So if your potatoes never rot, this might be a red flag to you. Pop-Tarts are amazing and most of us grew up on these. But Europe said nah to the dyes and HFCS. They are supposed to be toaster pastries, not science projects. So what's the takeaway? Well, I'm not here to fearmonger or say you can't ever enjoy a Swiss roll again. But isn't it wild that food banned in dozens of countries is still lining the shelves in American grocery stores? If other countries can clean up their food supply, maybe we can start reading those labels a little closer too. Or at least know when your morning biscuit has more chemicals than a 10th grade science lab. If you found this eye-opening, or if I just ruined your favorite childhood snack, hit the like button and subscribe for more wellness with a wink content. Got a favorite food that's probably banned somewhere? Drop it in the comments below. Let's cry together.